So, I've been training for the LA Marathon, and I wanted to share this exercise with you that I often do before my long runs. How I see it, and so do many others, is running can be a meditation. At a certain point, your mind and body are working in unison. The breath feels easy and flows effortlessly. And there's a sense of presence and focus that radiates inwards and outwards. However, there's also the self doubt, fear, and frustration that can arise as well. Running is challenging. It can take a toll on your mind and body, and we're faced with the discomfort of exhaustion and pain. Yet, there's moments when we never have felt more alive. Similar to the practice of meditation, all of these moments are a necessary part of the journey. So, in this practice, we'll begin with a few deep breaths, inviting the mind and body to settle. Then we'll move into a visualization exercise and end with a few affirming words to support you on race day or just everyday life. So, when you're ready, take a moment just to settle in. You can be sitting or lying down, maybe even standing, whatever feels right for you and your body. Eyes can be open or closed. Now, take a moment just to notice how you're arriving. What thoughts, emotions, or sensations are present? There could be nerves, excitement, restlessness. Just noticing and allowing, not changing anything. All of you is welcome here. And now, beginning with those deep breaths, we'll be breathing in for 4, in through the nose, filling the belly, and breathing out for 6, out through the mouth, softening the body, relaxing, opening, and letting go. So, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just continuing to breathe in that way. Resting the focus on the breath and flowing with each inhale and each exhale. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continuing to breathe in and breathe out. And allowing the body to soften, rest, and relax. Giving the mind permission to settle. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going at a pace that feels right for you. And if the mind gets distracted, bringing it back to this moment, this breath, this body. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the next exhale, returning the breath back to its natural rhythm and pace, allowing the breath to flow naturally. Now, I invite you to bring into your mind's eye you running the race. It could be at the beginning as you're taking off, in the middle, or end nearing the finish line. Noticing what's around you, the people running with you, the spectators and supporters on the sidelines, hearing them cheering you on. Taking in the scenery, noticing what's the weather like, how's the terrain. Perhaps you're in a city or on a trail. Noticing all the different details. Feeling the strength of your body with each step. Unclenching the jaw, softening the shoulders. Relaxing and running with a sense of determination. Flowing with the moment. Your body feels open and aware. Your confidence exuding with each stride forward. This is the moment you've been training for. No matter the outcome, you're here, you're doing it, and you feel good. Mind, body, and spirit. Continuing to envision yourself allowing any thoughts of doubt or fear pass you by as you continue to push forward. And then just letting that image go, And if you'd like, you can place a hand over your heart and repeat after me. I am strong. I am resilient. I am courageous. I am prepared and ready. I am focused on what's in front of me and within me. My mind, body, and spirit are present and hopeful. I trust the intuitive wisdom of my body. I trust my body's ability to carry me across the finish line. Even in moments of discomfort, I trust that my body is working for me, not against me. Moment to moment, mile to mile, I am focused and in flow. I mind my pace and focus on my race. I am doing my best, and my best is enough. I will do my best, and my best is enough. I am enough. I am more than enough. And spending a few moments here offering yourself any other words of encouragement or support. And now, just letting that go, connecting to the breath, feeling the body and its sensations, taking a deep breath, then on the exhale, slowly and gently opening your eyes and thanking yourself for being in practice here and in training. Happy running and all the best, my friend.